Is your business ready for Windows 11? Microsoft has recently announced the release of Windows 11. The new operating system has many features, including a unique, fully integrated Teams experience. It will better use your current hardware in your laptop and desktop to deliver a much smoother video and audio experience when collaborating with your peers. There's also intelligent desktops that allow you to arrange windows in different desktops, and Windows will remember your preference when you unplug your laptop and connect it back to a monitor. One item that caught our eye with the release announcement is the requirement for hardware that uses Windows 11 to use a TPM chip. The TPM chip helps secure the data on your device, but not all laptops and desktops have this chip, which will leave many unable to upgrade to Windows 11. To be better prepared, you need to know how many devices in your organization might be affected by this requirement. TPM chips are currently fetching a high premium due to this announcement, and the upgrade path for existing hardware in your business may be limited if you don't act now. Contact us today to learn how you can prepare for an upgrade to Windows 11 in your business.